Hey, what's up, brothers? I hope everybody's safe and healthy. And in today's video, I'm going to show you how to install Angry Birds 2 from AppGallery on your Huawei device. And before we started, please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already for more content like this. Thank you so much. And now, let's go. All you have to do, brothers, is open AppGallery on your phone and search for Angry Birds 2. Search for Angry Birds 2 and tap on install. The game is about 200 megabytes, so it will take a while. And this is the very popular game, and of course I love this game. Okay, we're almost there. The game is installing right now on this beautiful P40 Pro Plus, and now all I have to do is tap on the open button right here, and now I can enjoy Angry Birds 2 on my Huawei P40 Pro Plus without GMS, with HMS. The game is starting right now, and login in with my Huawei ID. Accept, and very fun game. So I do hope you ended up enjoying the video, bros. Don't forget to subscribe, like the video, share the video, and as always, stay safe, wear the mask. Thank you so much, you are the best, and enjoy your Angry Birds 2.